So let's see how we can create any reference inside the template on the fly. So what is the meaning? So you could have any element inside your template. Okay. So it could be the div, it could be the table, whatever, right? You can make the variable on the fly using hash your variable name, right? Hash my variable name, any variable name. So this will keep the reference of this element node. This will keep the reference of this div element node. Okay, let's see how this will work there. Okay, so I just first remove this, which is not required. This is also not required for me, and I just open this. Okay, and I do not need this as well, and I remove this. So first I will tell you what I want to achieve using native JavaScript. Variable user name, if I want to create, right, equal to document dot query selector, and I give the input, correct. So this is about my input, right? So username, this is about the input. So in JavaScript I can create variable like this, correct, and if I need to access any property I can access the property, right, value. So I don't need to write this much in Angular. What I can do in template, I go and I give the variable name like this, username and hash. So this is the template reference, right? I can do this. This could be any name, not username, right? Whatever you want to give. You can do there as well, right? Sorry, there as well. You can give all over the element, right? So what is the meaning of this? Let's see. Username. Instead of this name interpolation, I do this username dot name, right? This is the same, right? So username dot name is the, let's see, I need to save again. Oh, username dot value. Okay, when I do this, so username is the reference of this node and this is the value. Let's see, I can pass in the function as well, right? So username reference, and I see what is this, what element it gives, right? Console dot log username reference. Okay, so if I check this, see, this is the, I just remove this. See, this is the input box, right? I am getting this node, right? How I was creating the variable, right? You remember, if I do this, user name, right? Same thing. So the same thing happening behind the scene there, right? But this is, we are doing just simple giving some hash and variable name. So what we can do, we can use anywhere inside the template this variable template reference, we can pass using any function, right, and we can grab inside the class, right. So this is very handy. You can use this with any element and you can use inside anywhere inside the template, right. It's very easy, right. So what I can do now, I'm going username reference, and instead of this dot name I am doing username dot reference dot value. Okay, so Sarang Jain, Sarang Kumar Jain, right? And if I change the name, what will happen? Button will be clicked, username will go, and this is the reference of this input, right? Live copy, and this value will be going to this dot name, and again, monkey sees, monkeys change. Monkey sees, right? Name is changing, and monkey do. So, Sarang Kumar Jain, right? So, this is the node name. This is not the expression, this is not the expression from coming from the class, this is the element reference, this is the template reference, right. Okay, and this is the property binding, right, because name is getting changed so it is automatically changed, correct, and because username value changed, so this is also changed. So I already told you, right, what is happening if some property will be changing, our template is looking into this, and if any property gets changed, this is automatically reflected there, right. So this is about the template reference.